In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record clip in ClickUp. By the end, you'll feel confident starting a screen recording with ClickUp's built-in clip tool so you can share clear walkthroughs, updates, or quick explanations with your team. First, open your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're on the page or task you want to show, and take a second to tidy up your screen. Close any windows you don't want captured to keep the recording focused and protect anything private. Next, find the record button for clip. Depending on your layout, you'll typically see it in the top bar of ClickUp. Click it to bring up the recording options. You're about to choose what you want to capture. When the capture window appears, choose entire screen. This ensures anything you do on your computer is included, even if you switch between apps or tabs. In many browsers, you confirm this in two parts. First, by selecting the entire screen option, and then by clicking the thumbnail of your screen to confirm the exact display you want to record. If you have multiple monitors, be sure to select the correct one. Now, look at the microphone setting. If you see no microphone selected, that means the recording will be silent. Clicking that option lets you confirm silence, which is perfect for quick visual demos. If you do plan to narrate, this is the moment to switch from no microphone to your preferred mic input. Make sure your browser and operating system have granted microphone permissions to your browser so audio can be captured clearly. Before you begin, turn on highlight. This setting makes your cursor and clicks more visible, which helps viewers follow along. It's a small touch that makes a big difference, especially when you're pointing out buttons, menus, or fields on screen. With your screen and audio preferences set, click Record Clip. The recording starts right away, so take a breath and move through your workflow at a steady pace. Speak clearly if you're narrating, and try to keep your cursor movements intentional. If your recording includes sensitive data, remember you chose entire screen, so anything visible will be captured. That's all you need to start a clip in ClickUp. Going to your workspace, opening the clip tool, choosing entire screen, confirming the screen, checking the microphone setting, enabling highlight, and then clicking record clip sets you up for a clean, professional recording. Keep these choices consistent and you'll build a repeatable process your team can rely on. Thanks for watching and happy recording.